Okay, so this is the end result of this video tutorial. At the end of the video, you will have a fully working website like this one. It's gonna have a booking system implemented. People will be able to book appointments. So book an appointment, service, location, barber, next. They pick a date, time, next, next, and they can add a note, and then they can reserve, and that's it. Now, if we go on our dashboard, you usually also get an email, by the way, when people book. So if you go to appointments, bookings, you can see that someone has made a booking. Yeah, it's a fully working website. So if you have any questions at any point, you can leave them in the comments below and I will try to answer them. Okay, so if you want a website, you need two things. You need a domain and you need a host. The domain is website.com or something like that. It usually costs about $10 a year, and the host will have different prices depending on the resources you expect to need and pretty much the number of users you expect to have. My goal in this video is to help you set up as cheap as possible. Okay, so to be completely transparent with you guys, I am affiliated with two popular hosting providers. One is hosting.com and the second one is hostinger.com. There's links to both of them in the description. If you use my links to make a purchase, it basically gives me a small commission and it helps me continue making these videos. If you don't want to use the affiliate links, you can just go directly to the websites and that's totally fine. So at the time I'm making this video, Hosting has a deal that starts at $199 and Hostinger starts at $299 a month. Hosting has a better 1-year option. It totals to $24 and that includes the domain for the first year. Okay, so let's just go with 1 year and then server location. Just pick the closest location to your users. I'm gonna go with Germany because I'm in Europe, and then register a new domain. Let's just go with myawesomebusinessllc.com. Let's see if that's available. It is. Add to basket. Okay, great. Confirm and proceed. Okay, now for some reason they make you buy the domain for 2 years, but we can change that. Just click on edit and then switch from 2 years to 1 year, and that makes it free. Confirm and proceed. Okay, great. So now that totals to $24. Let's proceed to checkout. Okay, continue. Okay, let's add our billing. Okay, great. Order complete. And now we can just go and set up our website. Okay, so now let's go to all products on the left. Now click on login to control panel. Okay, so that opens cPanel. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and you have WordPress Manager by Softaculous, or at the bottom of the page you have scripts and WordPress. It's the same thing. Click on any of them and hit install now. Make sure the protocol is HTTPS. Leave the directory empty. Site name, give it your name and the description. Okay, now let's unselect all of these plugins because we're not going to need them. And last thing we're going to do is set our admin username and password. Don't do what I did, use a strong password. And admin email, your email, and then click install. And it's going to take a second. Okay, we're done. Now, if we open our website, we have a fresh WordPress install. That's great. Now we're going to install a theme and set things up. So that's how you do it in Hosting. If you use Hostinger, go to your dashboard, the H panel, then go to website, create or migrate, business, choose WordPress, and then select English or your language. Add your email, the password, then skip this step or just uncheck all these plugins because we're not going to need them. Skip the AI thing and then it should be installed. Now if you click on admin panel or you just go to the website, you should be looking at something like this. Great. Now let's set things up. So the next thing we're going to do is go to your website.com or whatever the extension is, and add /admin at the end. And now we're going to add our username or email and then the password. Log in. Okay, great. Now let's go ahead and add a theme. So go to Appearance, Themes, Add Theme, and search for Bro Barbershop. This is what we're going to use. Now click Install, Activate, and then begin installing plugins. Select all of them, install, apply. Okay, sometimes it errors. If it does, just go back and install them one at a time. Okay, install. If it fails, that's fine. It's not a problem. Okay, activate. Okay, install. SVG. Okay, now we're going to activate both of them, or the remaining ones. Hit apply. Okay, everything is installed. Now we're going to run the appointment booking wizard. So run that. Continue. So give it a name. Hit continue. Employee name. Your name. Service name. Haircut. Add your price. Hit continue. Then currency, position, the confirmation mode. Okay, so automatically finish setup complete. Now let's go to appearance, and yep, import demo data. Import demo. Is it demo or demo? I don't know. Data. Okay, continue. This is gonna take a second. Okay, so the import is complete. If we visit our website, everything is set up. The page structure is working. Links work, and if you try to book an appointment, even that's gonna work. So let's pick a service, barber. Next, let's pick a date, time. Next. Okay, Dave. Okay. Is that a... Okay. Reserve. Making reservation. And the booking got submitted. Appointment is set up. Everything works perfect. Now if you go to dashboard, if you look at our appointments, bookings, you can see that it got set. It should even be visible on the calendar right here. Everything is set up. So, okay. Last thing, the next thing, logical thing we're gonna want to do is start customizing things. Okay. We want to change some pictures. We want to change some text. We want to add our details. So the way we do that is very simple. But actually, let's just take it one step at a time. So let's say you want to change the logo. Go to customize, site identity, and then you have this logo and the text. If you want to change things, just edit, and the text can update. If you want to replace the logo, just change the logo. If you want to upload your own, go to upload files, and then just upload your PNG file, your logo, and it will get updated. I'm not going to change it because I don't have a logo, but this works for me. Okay. Now let's say, so if you take a look at your current website right now, there's a lot of pages, services, about, gallery, contact. Now let's say we don't really want something really complicated, so we're gonna try and remove most of these pages from the menu, at least, because we don't need them. The way we do that is we go back, so customize, menus, primary, and then we have all these pages. Okay, so let's say we want to keep services, about us. Now let's remove all these other pages. I have no idea if there's a way to bulk remove them. We could recreate the menu. Okay, actually, let's just create new menu. Actual menu. Okay. Check primary. Next. Add items. Okay. Home. Services, about us, and let's go with contact. Let's search for contact. contacts. Why is it contacts? I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna save that. Now let's go ahead and look at the page. Okay, that is exactly what we wanted. Okay. Yeah, let's just rename contacts to contact, because I don't even know why it's contacts. Will contact us. Okay, publish. Let's refresh the page. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so we have our 4 pages. Book an appointment works. Logo is set up. Next thing we're gonna want to do is start adding some content to the page and start removing sections. Okay, so let's take it from the top. So now you want to add your own text, right? Your own content. The way you do that is click on edit page. And here you have all the page sections. If you click on edit on any of them, you can replace images. You can remove them. If you go add to gallery, upload your own images, or go to media gallery and add them from your gallery, update, and it got updated now. So you can you have settings on the right. You can replace the images. If you want to replace text, that's how you do it. You just click on things and new text added here. That's how you do it. I'm not gonna add it because, okay, if you accidentally delete stuff, you can undo by clicking this button. Okay, so I'm not gonna add that text because it doesn't make sense. But that's how you do it. This YouTube link, for example, just add your new link, copy paste it. Pretty much everything is customizable. Just click on the component you're trying to edit and just start making changes. Again, if you want to replace the image, if you want to remove something, let's say you want to remove this button, so just click on it, then click on these 3 dots, hit delete, and it got removed, and that's it. We're just gonna add it back because, okay. Now let's say you want to remove a complete full section. I don't know. Let's say you don't have a team. It's just you. Actually, let's just remove the blog section because we don't have one. So yeah, just select it. The main section. Don't go with individual sections because that's only this. For example, will only remove the grid. So select the whole thing. Click on these 3 dots, delete, and it's deleted. Now, if you go and hit save and refresh, okay, let's open our page. Actually, you have view page right here at the bottom. So if you look at the page, there's no more blog section. Also, by the way, this edit is not going to be visible to anyone else besides the admin. So if you look at the bottom of the page, this is gone. We're probably going to want to remove this line at some point. Okay, so let's say we want to change this picture, replace, upload, and then just select a new picture. In this case, this is a video, so you're gonna have to select the video. Now, if you want to remove it, delete. If you want to remove the whole grid, you can also do that, so it gets automatically resized. But yeah, so that's how you do it. So let's assume you're done with the home page. Let's refresh the page. Everything looks great. Now, if you go to services, you can do the same exact thing. Go to edit page and then edit individual sections. Okay, so if you want to remove this, click edit, remove. Okay, so one thing, for example, on this page, if you're going to try to edit things, you'll notice that they're not editable. The reason they're not is this is a component that takes the services from your service database automatically, and the appointment too. So the way you remove a list of services, for example, is you go to dashboard and then go to appointments, and you have services. This is the list of all of your services. So if we remove one of them, baby haircut, it was probably on page. Okay, it was here. Now, if we remove it, as you can probably see, it's gone. And yeah, that's how you remove them. If you want to add a new service, click add. And then you can set the price, the duration. It is really customizable. You can even set the color, employees, everything. Now, if you go to your dashboard and then go to appointments and look at the settings, you can see that you can customize a lot of things. So you have the calendar, the bookings, which has a list of all the bookings, payments, employees. So if you have a list of more employees, this is where you manage them. You set their address, the phone number, social links. If you want to remove them, just click on trash and they're going to get removed. Locations, you can have multiple locations. If you go to schedules, you can set individual schedules for different employees. For example, this is one's timetable. You can remove them. You can add new periods of time and the location. Like I said, it is really customizable and really cool. Services, we just went through. Categories, tags. You can even have coupons, notifications, a list of customers, analytics, settings. Yeah, so anything appointments related, you can set it up on the dashboard. You can change the settings. I'm not going to go through all of them because we don't have the time, but like I said, if you go through them, you will probably find what you're looking for. So yeah, so just play around, edit things, add your own content, and then just hit save. And then just move on to contact page. Again, go to edit. Okay, we're not gonna use a contact form because it's not that simple to set up, but we have the email and the phone number. That should be enough. So let's just remove this section. Okay, remove this and this. Now let's hit save. Okay, that works. That's good. Okay, now everything is pretty much set up page-wise. The last thing I'm gonna want to do is probably remove this map at the bottom or add our own location. Okay, if you want to use the map, you're gonna have to have a Google API key. So if you go to widgets and go to footer 2, they are gonna ask you for your Google Map API key. The problem is Google asks for your credit card, and if you hit a certain limit, they're gonna start charging you. I'm not gonna bother with that. I'm just gonna remove it. So let's just remove the section, and that's gonna be it. So just publish. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So now we have a fully set up website. People can book appointments. We have our content, we have images, we have media, we have videos. Everything is set up. If you have any questions, post them below. I'll try to answer them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching. And yeah, that's it.